Well, with the onset of the monsoons and the mighty Kaveri flowing in full flow, we decided to visit the cluster of waterfalls on the borders of Malavalli, the Shivanasamudra Falls in Chamarajanagara district of Karnataka. And boy, was she flowing in full flow. Gaganachukki and Bharachukki Falls in Shivanasamudra was in all its glory was looking majestic. Drone shots that do justifications for the actual view of beautiful falls of Shivanasamudra. Here all its beauty stands tall.
This is the Shivanasamudra waterfall here at Gaganachukki, Bharachukki. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Djmahaneet and we are exploring the beautiful falls of Karnataka. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates for all my videos. Stay tuned. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Check out the drone view. So this is the Bharachukki waterfall here. As we're walking down, we had some breakfast which we had carried. Just managed to grab the bike. Suggestions, do write on the comment section below. Also give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Stay tuned as we explore the beautiful Shivanasamudra Falls and hope you like the drone shots whatever I've done. Thank you for watching. Once again, beautiful Shivanasamudra Falls. One big view to this short log of mine. Hope you like watching this video. Thank you very much for watching. Also follow me on social media, my Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, my Facebook fan page also Djmahaneet. See you around on the next vlog. Sayonara, adios and goodbye. So before I bid adieu from this beautiful Shivanasamudra, I want to stress on stay in nature, be in nature, enjoy nature. That's life. Very underrated place. This is the Gaganachukki and Bharachukki Falls. Do visit if you are around Bangalore. Goodbye.